Okay, hey guys, so I'm sorry I missed 2 days. I was supposed to post on September 6th, September 8th, but today is not actually a plush video. Instead of a plush video, I was kind of thinking, well, on September 6th, I actually got a bird. So first we went to PetSmart, then Petco. PetSmart, they didn't have that much stuff. They didn't have it. They had these two little baby birds. I forgot what they were called, but we were gonna get those, but it would have cost like $100 because what's it called? There was two of them, and then they said if you want to get them, you have to get both of them, and that will be $100, and they cost $50. And we just got this blue budgie parakeet. A couple minutes ago, he was eating, his candy thing. He's kind of scared because, he's not really used here. And that's the vitamin thing. Sorry about the mess on the bottom. That was just something that happened. Water, food, and you guys are wondering what his name is. His name's actually Rio. Probably guys from the movie Rio. I thought that would be a great name. So I'm gonna slide the cage. And next week we're actually gonna get another bird because my brother's gonna get one. And we're gonna put them together. And we're gonna buy another cage because we're gonna get another cage. I open it from here, but yeah, I'm not gonna open it because I wish I could get it out, but I'm really sorry, guys. I just can't get it out because, it's scared. It's not used to here yet, but I still love it no matter what. Eventually, it's gonna get used to here, and I won't be scared. I got that, and yeah. And we actually got this cage. Well, a couple years ago, we actually had birds, but they died, and we kept the cage from them, the old birds, and we decided to use this cage because, since the other cages are expensive, it'll be better just to use the cage we have at home, and that's what we did. And yeah, and once again, we got them from Petco. Petco had a lot of stuff, guys. They had bearded dragons, the birds, fishes. Literally had rats, mice, and hamsters. But yeah, But